Let's talk about the latest launched ITEL smartphone A70 with futuristic design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches dynamic bar HD plus waterdrop notch display. With resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 90% screen to body ratio, with 500 nits of brightness, and with 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with 13 megapixel AI dual HDR camera setup on the rear. For selfies it has 8 megapixel AI portrait selfie camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 Go Edition operating system based on ITEL OS 13. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by Unisoc T603 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 3 GB of RAM with 5 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, and plugs with 4 GB of RAM with 8 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB of dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures 8.6 mm thickness body, and the color options azure blue, brilliant gold, field green, stylish black, colors to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. ITEL A70 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 3 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 29,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 33,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this ITEL A70? Do let us know in the comment section below. And subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.